from Ate Laura.
Ang haba.
Ay, makita yan, size. Saka yung isang madali.
Neon water color.
Hindi yan. Makita dito.
Water color.
Dito, titignan pa lang. Kulit yan kay Ella. What you got? Wow! What is this? Chocolate?
Oh,
This
I
is
know
chocolate.
that.
Chocolate ang nakuha ni Mr.
This.
It's so
Another one.
cute, guys. Oh, chocolate na bite. You sit down, Mr. You cannot be in the camera.
Oi, that's mine.
Oh, music record.
It's a coaster for putting your pot on.
Oh, it's a coaster.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah, I got power bank.
I have to open this.
Alam mo na sa'yo, power bank na.
That's my gift to you.
Bagis mo yung charger na.
This is for me to read to Michaela.
Hi, this is from Auntie Patricia. Oh, thank you, Auntie Patricia.
Kukunin mo ako.
30 pounds. Tito mo. Mister. Give it to Papa. Good job.
For my bag.
Lamig.
Ay, patingin na ito mo tingin. Yeah.
Nikila, this is yours.
Sayang, madat ang ginawa mo.
Isa sa'yo to.
Sayang, madat ang ginawa mo. Nilagay mo doon sa
Power
lumang
bank
box
na
ng
naman to.
cellphone. Doon nilagay mo sa lumang box ng cellphone.
Tinuruan mo pa ako.
Akala
That
ko
should be mine, but I chose this.
I told Mama she should have put this inside her old
This
box.
is mine. This is from Ate Laura. Thank you, Ate Laura. I took it.
It's inside. No, no.
Yay! Oops! 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 Oops!
Social naman ang Maverick.
We'll leave everything in there.
Oh, this is heavy. This is from Ate Laura also.
And this one, give it one.
Ay!
I told Mama she should have
Ang
put
cute!
this on her old box phone box.
Kila! This is so nice.
Ito
From
ba yung sinasabi
Ate.
mong briefcase mo?
Another one. Thank you, Ate Laura.
Akala ko mahaba isang ganun.
Scarf! I love it.
Puti.
Ay,
I have
mami,
no
chocolate
white.
sabi ko sa'yo.
Thank you.
Sana kay mama yun.
Oops. What is this? Oh, lip shine collector. I think it's a lip balm. Wow!
Mahal lang.
Mahal to? Thank you.
Ano ba yan? Lindo.
Thank you. How many pieces? 4. Yay! Lip balm supply.
Tingin ma.
Ang ganda. Thank you, ate.
Ay, ano, akala ko may lock pa dun sa loob.
That's my gift. So, it's a prank. Kay Nash, give it to Nash. That's for Nash.
Ah, thank you.
O, color coding. Red is yours.
Sana pera.
Chocolate. More chocolate. Come here. Dito ka na sa may Christmas tree. Ang dilim mo dyan. Dito muna. Ah, yes! Ikaw, Nash.
Sawa na ako dun sa
Dapat
face.
small first. Small, medium.
Sawa na.
Small.
AirPods.
Wow, mo 3K. Oh, 3K.
Akala ko AirPods.
That's my real gift. And Tito Micah real gift.
There you go.
And Michaela's real gift.
May shiner.
Cellphone?
Yay! Yes! I know they need food!
Thank you.
Yay! They get what they need.
Two Nashes, one at each end. Yeah.
So it's unfair if just Nash I'm gonna buy. So I buy both.
Buti pa
We
binili
buy
mo
both.
rin sa inside.
It's too old, her phone. Your phone both too old. Oh, they're different color. Gray and black. Kung ikalat yung tempered at baka ano, madagana ni Kayla.
Ano ate ma-set up with another device?
No, because you have no other device.
Yes, I know other device.
It's a prank. So, ito talaga yung kanilang nakuha phones. Samsung A17.
Tapos may ganito pa ako.
Because you've got twice as much cream, I'd put more water in.
200.
Yeah.
Mr. ang galuto ko na. Nice na. This is enough.
Put some in.
Manakin. So excited for taste na. Also the meat. Can't see anything.
Meat wants a bit longer cooking. But yeah.
Don't fry them. Yummy. Wow, ang cute. Thank you. This is your gift.
Opo.
Merry
Akong pera eh.
Gawa tayo nito, guys. Ito ay galing sa anak ni Mr. Yen. Ito short bread. So, plain flour. Yan, durugin mo lang yan dyan. Tapos, imimelt natin sa microwave. Kasi kailangan natin ng milk.
Wow, muna.
So, ito ay 100 grams. Inchang. Ay, ang lamig. Parang melted ang butter. Dapat daw inchunks, pero yung butter natin ay hindi inchunks. So, plain flour na 150 grams. Lagay na daw to. I-mix na daw. Lagyan natin ng sugar. Sama mo yan. Mix mo. Yan, all together. Parang nasunog yung ano sa white chocolate. Flat na guys, disaster.
Ma.
Now we broke one bowl.
And then I'm gonna stir it.
Ay, this is not balanced. The same.
How many pieces?
8. Oh, disaster. What I have done. Eh, ganun din. Ganun din naman.
Hindi po.
Thank you. I almost burned my hand. Trying to avoid breaking the 150 degrees. Put a timer na.
Yo, you forgot to cut this one.
Oh, so. Okay.
30 minutes. Uy! Kakain na tayo, guys. Yung ating binibake ay hindi pa tapos. But, gutom na ang mga bagets. Nice. Come here. Pakakulit ng ating baby. The beef is so soft, isn't it? Kain tayo, guys. Christmas. Ito lang ang ating pinaka-Christmas dinner. Sandok-sandok na. What do you want?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
I think we had Christmas dinner yesterday, really.
Yeah, it's our Christmas dinner.
What is it? Oh yeah. Forgot.
Mind your own plate. Oh. You have
And then
plenty.
you're going to have what is an English Christmas dinner tomorrow.
Laura.
Are we gonna eat there?
No?
Oh, you're wearing your sunglass. Pupunta tayo guys sa anak ni Mister. Pero pupunta muna tayo sa Boundary Mill kasi nabasok yung isang bowl kahapon. Kapalitan. Are we going to Boundary Mill? We have enough time. No! She says no!
Nakalimutan ko sabihin sa inyo, mainit pala.
Bibili na tayo ng bowl guys, kapalit ng ating nabasag. How much each? 11. Ang mahal pala nun. I think it's this one. No, the same.
No,
The same.
it's not the same. It's
I want to go to Mark and Spencer.
And go there and come back for these. We know how much they are, we know where they are.
Let's go to Mark and Spencer muna, guys. Ang daming tao, crowded sila rito. Na tayo, guys. Jumper ni Mister at saka sa akin. Tsaka sa ating ate Isay. Tsaka sa Kuya Nash. One pants? Parang gusto ko rin ng pants. Na ganyan, yung maluwag. You enjoying your food, Kayla? Nice? Yummy. Thank you. Let's say thank you, please. Cute. Yummy.
Pigs in blanket.
Yeah, meron tayong ganyan sa bahay, pigs and blanket. Uh-oh. Mumualan. We're home, guys. Galing sa anak ni Mr. Liligalig ang ating baby kasi siya ay inaantok na. Ayaw magpatanggal ng ano. Ayaw magpahawak. Ayaw magpatanggal. Tignan natin itong ating binili. What's wrong?
Ay, magtanggal ng mga
Nabili ako
boat
ng
na
ganito
parang gusto
sa'yo.
bumalik kila Ate Laura.
Ayaw umuwi pati guys ng ating baby. So, bumili lang tayo ng bowl kasi di ba nabasag ko.
Arte mo
Halika
naman.
na, come na. Don't cry. Nabili tayo ng ganito, terno kay Mister. Maganda tong isuot, warmer. Sa Mark and Spencer. Tapos ito, sa ating ate Isay. So, sale siya. Sarap to isuot. Para hindi laging balot na balot ng kumot. Hi! Ang cute naman ito. There. Nakabili tayo ng cardigan.
Oh, that's so cute.
Put a tree.
Wow! Cardigan. Sandagay. Ito kay Mister. Kasi sira na yung ganito niya. Hindi naman yung ganito.
Put a tree.
It
nice.
feels
Not
nice,
the juggling.
Mister. So, sa Mark and Spencer din natin binili. Mahal pala to, 25. Tapos isang pants para sa ating kuya. Isukat mo nga to na. 24. Mga pabaon pang candies. Tsaka ano. Cake. O, Nash. Try mo nga. Patingin ako. Parang maiksi ito. Dapat mahaba ang kinuha mo kasi tatangkad ka naman. Parang maiksi.
Mahaba na po yan.
Parang hindi. Parang bitin to.
Pag mas mahaba po yun.
Sige nga, isukat mo daw. Nakasukat natin.
Just one.
Okay, Mister. Wala na silang malaking
Your
size.
size. Size ni dito, eh. Gamitin ni dito to, ah.
Bakit? Hindi naman magsusuot ng ganun ka. Faded
If you want to, you can also wear this. This will definitely
You
fit.
got 36
Yeah.
for him.
That's the smallest, I think.
Oh, right. That's my size.
Ah, yan na yung smallest.
If I knew he wanted baggy jeans, he could have had mine. I have in
No,
the
need to be
wardrobe
wider.
with a no. I've got some wide ones
No, not gonna wear that.
with a hammer.
No.
Oh,
Isa, ito na yung ano mo, Sai.
you've
Yung
not
parang
been
may,
see him.
ano, parang may...
I wanna look.
Ito na, oh. Yung Pikachu mo. Try ko to. Hindi ko to na-try kasi ang daming tao, sobra.
Paano kaya pag si Pikachu yung black tapos si yellow yung ano?
It's nice. Diba? Kaya ayoko nang maiksi. Ang ganda nung kanya hanggang may...
Ang kate. Spider-Man. Oh!
Sige. Katpatay mo yung camera, Sai.